I'm going to show you how to get this computer repaired under warranty for between 50 and 60 bucks if it's less than a year out of warranty. The motherboard prices 260, 330, 480, 320. Not cheap. If you have a broken screen, 160, 150, 130, 275, 300. These are just the part prices. That's not including what it would cost for somebody local like me to come out and actually repair or replace those parts. It would be very expensive to fix one of these laptops, especially if you have a much nicer one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I want to go to support.dell.com. I'm going to put in the service tag or the serial number, and you'll see here this particular Inspiron 7773. So it's about 9 months out of warranty. However, you can click renew, and the next page that comes up for your particular machine gives you all kinds of warranty options: 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Now you could upgrade immediately. 3 minutes after you watch this video, you could be upgraded to a full warranty, which is a whole nother year from today, for $50.15. Think about that for a second. $50 or $600-700 in parts and labor. You could upgrade it even further for an extra $17. So in this one, you would mail the machine in after remote diagnosis, which means you call Dell support. You say, my laptop's not running, it won't do this, that, and the other. They will ask you a bunch of questions, you answer them, and then they'll say, yep, it's broken, mail it in for $50.15. They'll fix it, probably have it back to you in a couple weeks, but cost you $50. Or you could upgrade for another $17 for in-home service after remote diagnosis. And what that means is you call Dell, they tell you, yes, it's broken, we're going to send the part to you and send somebody on site to you to repair it right there at your place of business or your home. So for $17 extra, not only do you get the part usually in a few days, but then there's somebody calling you and then knocking on your door, sit them down at your kitchen table, they replace the part, and they don't leave until it's working. There's other options too. If you notice here, this is a big one: accidental damage. For $50 extra, that fixes anything physically done to the laptop or desktop. So for example, if your daughter's in college and has it sitting on a table and knocks it off and shatters the screen, that is not a warranty part, even if you were under warranty, because it was caused by a user. In this case, these two words right here cover anything the user does to that computer. But as you can see, none of them are terribly expensive. Even the absolute best warranty extension for a year is only $143. That's the worst case. That's about the cost of a service call for somebody like me to come out and actually fix the machine. They will charge you extra here called a reinstatement fee. You can't get around that. As soon as you click add to cart and purchase that, 5 minutes later, you can pick up the phone, call Dell, and place a service claim. And next thing you know, you're not spending $1,000 or $1,500 to replace a laptop. You're spending $141.